Welcome to Future Crafted AI in Workforce. Welcome, Matt. So today we are talking about um, how, you know, what are the different strategies that an MSP can take with respect to, achieving the final goal of enabling Gen AI, Agentic AI, not only for themselves but for their customers, right? How can they do that? And I see in market different approaches, right? So Matt, you want to talk about a little different approaches that exist out there?
Sure. So, when I poll MSPs, all of them understand that they need to implement Gen AI internally, and they also have a desire to implement Gen AI and Agentic AI within their customer bases, and to have, a solution they can offer their clients and the ability to monetize Gen AI and have some sort of commercial practice. And we generally see, three different strategies, go-to-market strategies. We see folks who are leveraging AI inside the application, and so inside the PSA, inside the ITSM, inside the documentation platform that an MSP may use. So that's the first kind of way to go to market here. The second is to attempt to build your own bot from scratch. And we see quite a bit of this, frankly, and the larger MSPs that may have developers on staff and they're well-resourced, and they endeavor to build their own bot and make it their own. And then the third, and not to be too self-serving here, but the third is the Resolve.ai kind of solution, where it's both a product and a platform built into one. We call that Gen AI middleware, which gives you the advantage of essentially having a product that can be stood up quickly, yet over time making it your own.
Yeah, I just want to add one very interesting thing. I don't know why people think, honestly, they can build, these complex systems. I think maybe because we use the term bot sometime, and people think, hey, we can build a bot. But trust me, will you go and build ConnectWise on your own? Will you go and build ServiceNow on your own? These systems are not just a bot anymore. If you are just trying to aspire to build a bot, good luck with that. But these are more complex. These are what we call system of intelligence. There's a lot of business logic that you want to enable there. There's user experience consideration. There's integration experience. There's agentic AI prompts. There's too many things. So I'll be very honest. Anyone who's trying to think they can build agentic AI platform on their own, I don't think they're realizing how difficult it is and what endeavor they are trying to take. They're trying to create a product company within their services platform, which is one of the hardest thing ever to achieve. And why would you do that when you can get the product that you want today with a very, very reasonable cost, instead of trying to build something which you probably are going to fail like so many other people?
Yeah, I think if people saw behind the scenes what it took to get the platform to this point, I know it's 7+ years in development, the Resolve.ai platform. I know there's hundreds of developers that have worked on this, and it's truly an enterprise app. It's a knowledge management app, and it does take time to mature that product to the point where it can do all the things we want it to do. But all this to say, for the MSP community, which is near and dear to my heart, I ran an MSP for nearly 30 years. They want to move quickly, and they don't have time to lose. And we've talked in previous videos about how the landscape is changing for MSPs, and how some MSPs are implementing this and they're going to have a market advantage. Having a product that you can stand up and functional inside of 2 months, and then again make it your own. And you see here on screen, we're showing our Creator Studio, our sort of version of Power Automate, giving the MSPs the ability to extend use cases, integrate with other applications down the road, and make it their own, have some control and keys to the kingdom on directionally where they want to take their Gen AI practice.
Yeah, absolutely. So the final verdict, please, for the sake of your books and customers, try to buy, and don't try to waste time building, because plenty of people have tried that and it's not worked out. Thank you, Matt. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Manish.